Hi, and welcome to my channel. Now you can learn English with the help of real life conversation and the pronunciation of particular words. Here are some conversations related to the college students and school students. Without wasting time, let's get started.
This is a huge campus.
Huge.
Yes, it has a lot of trees and a lot of space.
And a lot of students.
And lots of thieves.
Thieves.
What do you mean?
I mean, keep your belongings close to you.
Belongings.
The only thing in my backpack is used books.
Backpack.
But thieves don't know that.
They might think that I've got an iPad or laptop in there.
Now you're thinking.
You'd think a campus would be safe from thieves.
Not even a church is safe from thieves. I can't believe this, but now one of my cousins is applying to college in the US. Actually, most of his application is completed, and she's starting to set up interviews with a few colleges.
That's awesome. By the time the semester is over, all of us will have family members coming here to study.
Semester.
That would be really funny. Did you have a college interview before you were accepted here? I didn't, and I'd like to give my cousin some interview tips.
I did. I know some people find them nerve-wracking, but I didn't. I practiced a lot beforehand though.
So my cousin should role play the interview scenario with someone else?
It definitely helps. Also, before the interview, your cousin should know a lot about the college and be prepared to ask a couple of questions about the college.
That's good advice. She's pretty curious, so I'm sure she'll have no trouble coming up with some good questions.
Curious.
And don't forget that you never get a second chance to make a first impression. She should dress appropriately.
Right. I'll let her know not to dress like a slob.
Most importantly, tell her to be herself during the interview. She shouldn't just give answers that she thinks the interviewer wants to hear.
Thank you, Amelia. This is really helpful.
I can't read the text in my book.
Turn on the light.
The light is on.
Open the book.
The book is open.
See an eye doctor.
That's what I need to do.
She'll give you a prescription for glasses.
I'll make an appointment next week.
I'll search on Google for an eye doctor.
Read the phone number to me.
I'll read it very loud, in case your hearing is getting worse, too. I like this magazine.
So do I.
I read it once, and I subscribed.
It gives you all the news.
All the news in only 35 pages.
I like the health news.
I like the beautiful photos of the fashion section.
I always read movie reviews.
I never miss the entertainment and sports section.
I gave a subscription to my parents.
Me too. They canceled their other news magazines.
So did mine.
My pen is out of ink.
Shake it a couple of times.
I shook it. There is no more ink.
You can borrow mine.
Thanks. I'll buy a new one next week.
What were you doing?
I was writing a letter.
Who were you writing to?
It's to my father.
Tell him I said hello.
Okay. I'll return your pen.